Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Dear 9th class, how are you? Dear students, today in our lecture we will discuss about the square root of expressions, exercise 6.3. Dear students, square root means this symbol is known as the radical sign, and if its index is 2, then it will also known as a square root of the value. Square root of expression means the question is given in the algebraic expression and we will find the square root. There are two methods to find the square root of expressions. First one is known as the factorization method and second method is known as the division method. According to first method, find square root by factorization, we will do part number 1. 4x square minus 12xy plus 9y square. First of all, we will break the midterm like the previous method by factorization method. How we will multiply? We will multiply 9 4 the 36. So we will break this term like this, that their sum will be equals to minus 12 and their product of these two terms must be equals to 36. So there is only one pair which is 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36 and 6 plus 6 equals to 12. So we will write 4x square minus 6xy plus 9y square. And we will take 2x as common from first two values and 3y common from last two values. And we get 2x minus 3y into 2x minus 3y. Both values are same and they are multiplied with each other. So we will take the square. Now we are going to find the square root. We will take the square root of this expression and we have the answer plus minus 2x, sorry, square is not written, plus minus 2x minus 3y. This is the answer. Now part number 2, x square minus 1 plus 1 over x, 4x square, where x is not equals to 0. Because x is not equals to 0 means because the value of denominator is not equals to 0. You can see, my dear student, actually this is written in the form of formula. You can observe that this is a square of x and according to the formula a square minus 2ab plus b square. You can see that this is a square of x and it's a square of 1 by 2x. So first of all we will write here first term as x square and second term is 1 by 2x whole square. So now we can convert it into the formula form. It will be x square minus 2 first term and second term plus 1 by 2x whole square. 2x will be cancelled by 2x and then it will be like same as the previous step. So now we will write this into the form of the square. So this will becomes x square x minus 1 by 2x whole square. Now we will take the square root and we will get plus minus x minus 1 by 2x. Part number 5, 4x6 minus 12x cube y cube plus 9y6 divided by 9x4 plus 24x square y square plus 16y4. Dear students, we will factorize these two terms by midterm break method and get 4x6 minus 6x cube y cube minus 6x cube y cube plus 9y square divided by 9x4 plus 12x square y square plus 12x square y square plus 16y4. 6 minus 12 and 12 plus 24. Take 2x cube as common from first two values and get 2x cube minus 3y and we will take minus 3y cube from here as common and get 2x cube minus 3y cube. Like same method we will take 3x square common from first two values and 4y square common from last two values. Now we will take the common value first, 2x cube minus 3y cube and remaining values are 2x cube minus 3y cube. And there are also 3x square plus 4y square into 3x square plus 4y square. Now you can see that both values are same in numerator, both values are same in denominator and they are multiplied with each other. So we will write in the form of the square. 2x cube minus 3y cube whole square divided by 3x square plus 4y square whole square. Now dear student, we will take square root of this expression and we get 2x cube minus 3y cube divided by 3x square plus 4y square. This is the answer. plus minus with plus minus sign. Now this is the final answer. 2x cube minus 3y cube divided by 3x square plus 4y square answer. Part number 6 of this question is that x plus 1 over x whole square minus 4x minus 1 over x, where x is not equals to 0. Dear students, first of all we will remove the bracket and write x square plus 1 over x square plus 2, means a square plus b square plus 2ab, and we will write this form as it is. Now dear students, we will go to make this into the form of formula, but how we can change? We will do something. We will split this plus 2 into 2 value, means plus 4 minus 2. Plus 4 minus 2 will be equals to plus 2. But why we will do this? Because we want to make this into the form of formula. If we will do this, then we have a minus b whole square minus 2a. First value is a and second value is 2, and we will have the second value is 2. Means you can say that, for example, this is first value, square of first value minus 2a, second element is 2, and here 4 will be equals to 2 square. This will be equals to 2 square. And you can see that now this turns into the form of the formula a square minus 2ab plus b square. So write this a minus b whole square, and now we will take the square root and we get plus minus x minus 1 over x minus 2 as the answer. Now dear student, we will move to question number 2, and this is the second method to find the square root, and second method is by division. How we will solve? Let's see. Because part number 1, 4x square plus 12xy plus 9y square plus 16x plus 24y plus 16. Dear students, since we are going to find the square root by division method, so first of all we will write this in the form of division, and this is very simple and very interesting method. First, remember one rule, that we will multiply with the number here and then we will multiply that number here. Means if 4x square actually is the square root of 2x. So we will write 2x here as divisor and 2x as the quotient. So 2x into 2x will become 4x square. So means both values will be the same. In first step, they will be subtracted with each other, they will be cancelled, and next step we will take two values, consider two values next. You will write two values here, 12xy and 9y square. Now in second step, you will first of all you will take the you will double this value, means you will multiply this value, this quotient, by 2, and 2 2s are 4. It will change into 2 2s are 4. Now let here there is a sign of plus, so you will put sign of plus here, and after that by putting sign of plus here, you will check that this is 4x and this is 12xy. Means if we will multiply 4x by 3y, then we can get 4 3s are 12xy. Since our new quotient value is 3y, so you will write 3y here again. Both values will be the same. So when we will multiply this expression by 3y, we get 3 4s are 12xy, 3 3s are 9y square. Both values also will be cancelled. Now we will consider next three values here. Write next three values here, and then first you will double the answer, 2x plus 3y. We will multiply this by 2 and get 4x plus 6y. And now check here, there is a sign of positive here, so we will put plus here, and this is 16x and our first value is 4x. So if we will multiply 4x by 4, then we can get 16x. Since quotient new value of quotient is 4, so we will put 4 here also. So 4 4s are 16x, 6 4s are 24y, and 4 4s are 16. Write all the values here. All values will be cancelled with each other, and then this quotient is the square root of this answer. Part number 2 of this question is x4 minus 10x cube plus 37x minus 60x plus 36. Write the question very carefully in the division form like this one, and after that this is x4, so we will multiply x square by x square, x square by x square is equals to x4. Double the answer quotient, it will be 2x square. Now put two next two values here, minus 10x cube plus 37x square. Dear student, first you will check that this is negative sign, so you will put here negative sign and here also. 2x square, what value will be multiplied with 2x square to make it 10x cube? When we will multiply 2x with 5x, 2 5s are 10, x square into x is equals to x cube. So put 5x here and 5x here. 2x square into 5x square minus 10x cube, minus 5x into minus 5x will becomes, minus 5 into minus 5 will becomes 25 plus 25x square. So subtract, these will be cancelled, subtract these values, this will become 12x square minus 60x plus 36. And now you will double the answer of first two values, 2x square minus 10x. And this is 2x square and the first value is 12. So we will multiply 2x square by 6. Here we write 6 also. So 2x square into 6 will be 12x square minus 6 times 60 plus 36. All values will be cancelled and the answer is x square minus 5x plus 6. Now we are going to solve the last part of this question. Dear student, this is very interesting. This question is written in the form of fraction. X square by y square minus 10x by y plus 27 minus, this is the inverse of this. This is x by y and this is y by x. And now this is x square by y square and the last one is y square by x square, where x and y are not equals to 0. Write the question very carefully and then x square by y square is a square root of x by y. So put x by y and x by y here. These will be give the answer x square by y square. Now write next two values here. First we will double the answer, x by y means 2x by y. We will multiply this fraction by 2, we get 2x by y. This is minus, put minus sign here. And one thing more, my dear students, this is 2, when we will multiply 2 by 5, then we will get 2 5s are 10xy. And minus 5 minus 5, 5 5s are 25. These will be cancelled and 27 minus 25 is equals to 2. Write next two values here. Remember one thing, this is 2 and there is value of 2x by y. What value will be multiplied to make it x by y only 2? Means if we will multiply this term by y by x, x by y into y by x, x by y and y by x will be cancelled, we get only 2. So it means the next value is y by x. So multiply third value y by x, this value by each term of this expression and get 2 minus 10 5 by x plus 5 square by x square. All values will be cancelled with each other and now the denominator, the square root of this expression is x by y minus 5 plus y by x. This is the answer.